Hello guys, in the last sessions we have seen how to install Java. Then we have downloaded the Tomcat and started the Tomcat server. We have downloaded the Jenkins and deployed it on Tomcat. And now Jenkins is running and it is up and running. Now I'm going to show you how to run the how to install the Sonar cube. You might be aware of Sonar. Sonar is a continuous code quality tool. So the code continuous integration tool which like make the builds, run your TDDs, run your automation test cases, generate your TDD report, generate your automation test case report. But these are typically what I can say automation tests is related to testing. Those are functional testing, and the TDDs are typically related to your unit tests. But you also need to be worry about the quality of the code. So for example, the PMDs, the check styles, then the find bugs, then the code repetition, how much code you have repeated, then the cyclomatic complexity, how much complex code you have written. For that there is a popular tool used called as Sonar Cube. So you need to download this. So just go to the in the Google type download Sonar and click on the first link. So in the first link you'll be seeing the in the download list very first you will be seeing SonarCube 5.1.2. just go to download. Okay, click on the download and it will start the downloading the SonarCube zip. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you need to extract and you need to run the SonarCube server. By default SonarCube server will be running on the port 9000. Okay, so similar to localhost 8080 where the Tomcat is running, Sonar will be running on localhost 9000. Okay, so this is the Sonar cube which is downloaded. So I will just go to the C colon, go to CI, I will paste this, then I will extract it. Okay, similar to what are the extractions you have done before, you can extract the Sonar cube similarly. And that is the, I mean, Sonar comes with the embedded server, so you can download the Sonar var independently, which is available. You can download the var and you can deploy it on whatever the Tomcat you have downloaded. But then this is the standalone type of Sonar cube installation. You don't need anything, you just go and click on start the Sonar and it will start the Sonar server. So better to download this in the from the Sonar cube server. Okay, so once it get extracted, the Sonar get extracted, you can it's a similar to almost similar to Tomcat, or it like you go to the bin folder and click on start Sonar cube and it will run your Sonar cube server. So as I have said, Sonar is typically used for better code quality, how the code quality of the application works, and it will show you different reports typically on the Sonar. So it is getting extracted, just couple of more seconds. I'll go to Sonar cube. I have executed installed over here. So go to bin. In the bin it's what I mean, it is 32-bit or it's 64-bit. You can go and you can click on start Sonar. Okay, run it. So similar to it need the Java home set. Java home need to be set before running the Sonar cube, because Sonar is entirely again written in Java. Okay, so this Jenkins you need the typically you need the Java to run the Sonar and to run the Jenkins. Okay, so now it is actually it is using the inbuilt database, but you should install your own database uh, to have the Sonar running. Okay, for that we will be needing XAMPP. I will show you how to install the XAMPP in the next session. So here the Sonar have started. So let me go to http/localhost and server is 9000. Okay, and hit enter. So it is waiting for localhost right now. It is pinking to the server, so you can see whether the server is up. Yeah, the server is up and running, the Sonar cube server. It's waiting to get the response from that server. So now we have installed Java, we have installed Tomcat, we have installed Jenkins. Our Jenkins is up and running. You can see it on localhost 8080, and our Sonar is also up and running. We're just waiting for the response from the server. But for Sonar you need the database, explicit database. You should not use the inbuilt database which is used by the Sonar var. It might be something again similar to JavaDB they are using, or they might be putting it in somewhere in the files. But my suggestion is to go for better to go for the external database. So our Sonar is now running. You can go to login. By default it's admin, so you can go admin. You can change this. I will show you how to change this, but right now it's admin, and go to login. Okay, so here you can see the dashboards and everything. Now there is no project as such here. You cannot be able to see because we have not run any Sonar from the Jenkins. So once we run it, you will be able to see the reports for any specific servers. And okay, so as I have said, there can be different what I can say plugins available for Sonar. So already installed is this. Now can talk to Sonar, can talk to Git. Sonar can analyze the Java codes, or Sonar can talk to SVN. But here you can check with available plugins. I mean, if you want to go for any specific plugin, so I want to you can go to the languages. Typically here it is languages. So I want to analyze my JavaScript. Okay, so you can go to, just I will click open in new tab, PHP, open in new tab. So just click on any of the language that you want to and click on install. So it will be installing that plugin. So there are C#, there is CSS if you want to analyze CSS, if you want to analyze your JavaScript code, if you want to analyze your C# code, you want to analyze your PHP code, you can just install that plugins. Okay, so in that way the you need to install that plugins, and then your code will get analyzed. So you need the Sonar properties file. So Sonar project.properties file. I will tell you how to configure in the next session. Thanks for watching.